Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We're on question 4.3 from the 2018 Maths Lit Paper 2, and this is for the grade 11s, and this question deals with data handling, reading from a table, and calculating the percentages of data. It says in table 1 shows the number of learners at Komga High School in grade 10, 11 and 12. So as we can see, we've got our grades here and then our totals, and then for boys and girls and totals. So calculate the number of boys in grade 11 as a percentage of the total number of learners. So you can see in this table they have left out this number of boys in grade 11 blank, marked by A, and then the totals is marked by B. So for question 4.3.1, we need to find out what A is. So A is going to equal your total, okay, subtracted from, because they've given us the total is 191. If we subtract the number of grade 12 boys and the number of grade 10 boys, we'll be left with what A is. So that's going to be, as I said, total minus your grade 10 boys minus your grade 12 boys. So this is going to equal 191 minus 73 grade 10 boys minus 54. And this comes to 64. Now, you could have also done it that A could have equaled the total number of grade 11, so that's 137 minus 73. That's also one way of doing it. That would have also given you 64, but this way is more than acceptable. So we've got the value of A. Now we need the value of B, which is your total in the grade. So again, we've got two options here. We can either sum up the amount of boys and girls, will give us B, or we can sum up each grade. So I'm going to go with the summing up of boys plus girls. So B is going to equal total boys plus your total amount of girls. So that's going to equal 191 plus 203, which comes to a total of 394 learners. Okay, now we need to find out the percentage. So over here it says find the percentage of grade 11 boys, which is marked at A, out of the total number of learners, which just so happens to be B. So our total percentage is going to equal, it's going to be A divided by B multiplied by 100 to get it into percent. So this is going to equal 64 divided by 394 multiplied by 100. And this in your calculators comes to 16.2%. And that is your final answer. And then on to question 4.3.2. Describe the trend and give a possible reason for the trend observed in the total number of learners from grade 10 to 12. So you can see in grade 10 we have 158, then in grade 11 we have 137, and then by the time it gets to grade 12, we're only on 99. You can see that the trend is decreasing. So from grade 10 to 12, the number of learners decreases. So that's the trend. Now we need to give a reason, and the reason could be, so as we go on in years, students drop out or fail. So the reasons could be learners fail or drop out. And that's the reason for 4.3.2 and concludes this question. And before I go, I just want to give a special thanks to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. Remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.